Hi, this is Mrs. Stevens and Juniper, and we're back to read a little bit more about One Grain of Rice, a mathematical folk tale by Demi. And where we left off is that Ronnie had gotten some of the rice that was falling and caught it in her skirt, and the Raja had said, "You deserve a reward." And she said, "I would like 1 grain of rice. And then for each day, for 30 days, she wanted double the amount of rice that she got the day before. So on the second day, she would get, and then on the third day, she would get, This seems still to be a modest reward," said the Raja, "but you shall have it." And Ronnie was presented with a single grain of rice. The next day, Ronnie was presented with 2 grains of rice. And the following day, Ronnie was presented with 4 grains of rice. Now we're going to skip ahead a little bit here. The story does that. I'm not doing that. On the 9th day, Ronnie was presented with 256 grains of rice. Now that seems like a lot to me. She had received in all 511 grains of rice. Only enough for a small handful. Oh, that's right. Rice is really tiny, and it's just like a dot in your hand before it's cooked. Very small. "This girl is honest," thought the Raja, "but not very clever. She would have gained more rice by keeping what had fallen in her skirt." On the 12th day, Ronnie received 2,048 grains of rice, about 4 handfuls. On the 13th day, she received 4,096 grains of rice, enough to fill a bowl. Now, what I don't know is, why is she giving it away? The people are very hungry. If she kept all this, she would at least have enough bowls to feed a few people. I wonder what she's up to. On the 16th day, Ronnie was presented with a bag containing 32,768 grains of rice. Altogether, she had enough rice for 2 full bags. Well, that seems like more. Oh, there's the Raja. "This doubling adds up to more than I anticipated," thought the Raja. "But surely her reward won't amount to much more." Do you think he's right? On the 20th day, Ronnie was presented with 16 more bags filled with rice. On the 21st day, she had received 1,048,576 grains of rice, enough to fill a basket. On the 24th day, so we're almost at the end, right? The 24th day, Ronnie was presented with 8,388,608 grains of rice, enough to fill 8 baskets, which were carried to her by 8 royal deer. Ooh, I like the royal deer. Aren't they quite cool? Whoa! Oh my gosh, can you see this? Look at that. Oh! On the 27th day, 32 Brahma bowls were needed to deliver 64 grains of rice, or baskets of rice. The Raja was deeply troubled. 1 grain of rice has grown very great indeed, he thought. But I shall fulfill this reward to the end, as a Raja should. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. On the 29th day, Ronnie was presented with the contents of 2 royal storehouses. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Okay, last day. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, it's going off the edge. Oh my goodness. On the 30th and final day, 256 elephants were needed to carry the contents of the last 4 royal storehouses. 536,870,912 grains of rice. Whoa. I have to, this is impressive. Whoa, look at that. Altogether, Ronnie had received more than 1 billion grains of rice. Billion? The Rajah had no more rice to give. And what will you do with this rice? Said the Rajah with a sigh, now that I have none. I shall give it to all the hungry people, said Ronnie, and I shall leave a basket for you, too, if you promise from now on to only take as much rice as you need. I promise, said the Rajah. Oh, I like this page. It's gold and pretty. And for the rest of his days, the Rajah was truly wise and fair, as a Rajah should be. Whoa. So we know that folk tales often have a moral or a lesson. Do you think Ronnie taught the Rajah a lesson? And what do you think it was? And let's look at the math in this. I love this page. From 1 grain of rice to 1 billion. Each day, Ronnie received double the amount of rice as the day before. See how quickly 1 grain of rice doubles into so much more. And I'm wondering if you could try this yourself. And if you get to here, and then this is what I want you to figure out. What if you added up all these to find out how much you got all together? Whoa! That was a great book. Thank you so much for joining us for our math talk. Bye.